guys, this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm turning my green jeans into a skirt, and also I saw this photo on Pinterest, so I thought why not do some embroidery on that skirt. So stay tuned and see how the skirt came out, and also let me know what you think about this skirt in the comment section, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and yeah.
Okay, so the first thing you'll do is cut down the jeans at whatever length you want. Now I don't have the footage of that thing because I forgot to film, and after cutting it down you're gonna cut it from the middle. Now saying it orally, it's very tricky. I hope you will understand with the video. So I'm cutting down then you'll cut little bit from the front and the back, like vertically. Make sure you also calculate, like measure your hip size and then attach the front part. Like you will understand. Don't make sure you always measure and then stick the front part together. If you do too much, then you won't be able to fit inside your skirt. First I thought of stitching it, but then I thought no, let's just stick with like fabric glue. So I made sure I stick it with the fabric glue, and trust me, it sticks well with the fabric glue. And also make sure you don't cut too much the vertically, then it becomes difficult to stick and it becomes little clumsy and it also starts tearing up. So make sure you don't cut too much vertically. And for the next one, now you'll get a V type thing upside down, like how you can see. What I'm gonna do is, with the remaining thing, I'm gonna measure or gonna see how much I need, mark it with the chalk, then cut it, and then again stick with the glue. This I'm gonna do on both the sides so that your legs are not exposed too much. I'm sticking again with the glue, fabric glue, so that it sticks well. Next thing is, I thought of doing some embroidery as I told you at first. Now I'm gonna draw with a pen of whatever design I want. I also drew like spiral designs, but in the end I couldn't do embroidery because it was consuming a lot of time and I was too tired of it, and I wanted to finish everything fast. Also make sure you use a pencil. I used a pen, so it takes time to go off when you wash and all stuff. Next thing is, I'm gonna start doing the embroidery. So I'm gonna take the white one and do some stitching. I'm also doing the back stitch. Now I'm gonna start doing the embroidery in the inside of the white space, like between the white space. What am I talking? Yeah. So I'm gonna do with the orange one like vertical embroidery, randomly vertical lines, and then with the other colors I'm gonna do horizontally to give that multicolor effect. I also got tired of doing it. You can add more colors to make it look more vibrant and make it look more good, but I stopped it with 3 colors. The next thing, I also did some flowers, which took me a lot of time, and I didn't have battery to shoot it in my camera. So that's how it looks somewhat. Now it might look very weird, but when you wear it in the light, like daylight, it looks very nice. The multicolor kind of comes out very well, so I'm kind of happy with that. Ta-da-da-da-da! So that's how this skirt looks. I really like it. I'm gonna try making another skirt with my another old jeans, so let's see how it goes.